Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how Trump's Bitcoin reserve plan could drive Bitcoin to 150K to 400K in 2025, says Blockware. They said Bitcoin's price in 2025 might skyrocket, but Blockware says it can rise between 150,000 and 400,000, depending on important factors such as Donald Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve plan, the Federal Reserve's policies, and corporate adoption. According to Blockware Solutions, a leading crypto mining firm, Bitcoin's price may increase moderately or rise dramatically depending on how these factors evolve. They said Blockware's report outlines three possible scenarios for Bitcoin's price in 2025. The worst case scenario suggests that Bitcoin could rise to 150,000, a 58% increase from its current price, $94,981. This will happen if Trump does not create a strategic Bitcoin reserve and the Federal Reserve maintains high interest rates, making traditional investments more attractive. In a more positive scenario, Bitcoin could be at least 225,000. They said the base case for this estimate assumes that the United States government will successfully create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. The Federal Reserve cuts interest rates as expected, and corporate adoption of Bitcoin continues at the current rate. The most optimistic scenario or bull case puts the price of Bitcoin at $400,000. For this to occur, three key major factors must fall into place. They said first, the Federal Reserve will have to implement a more accommodative monetary policy, making traditional assets less appealing and encouraging investment in riskier assets like Bitcoin. Second, adoption at the corporate level has to speed up. When the giants like Amazon, Apple, or Tesla announce their intention to carry Bitcoin on a balance sheet. The third step is that the United States government will need to hold Bitcoin within its reserve and buy additional quantities to increase at its store. This will require some major policy shift integrating Bitcoin into the United States traditional financial system. Corporate adoption is crucial for Bitcoin's future price. Companies like Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla could increase the price of Bitcoin if they decide to integrate it into their financial strategies. They said, however, recent events such as Microsoft shareholders rejecting a proposal to add Bitcoin to this company balance sheet indicate that corporate adoption remains uncertain. Without corporate investment, it will be tough for Bitcoin to hit those higher price joints like $400,000. Government policies, especially Trump's proposed strategic Bitcoin reserve are important for Bitcoin's rally. A national Bitcoin reserve by the United States government may add legitimacy to Bitcoin and to attract even more institutional investment. They say, nevertheless, some analysts believe that in 2025, the United States government will not be able to build up its reserves immediately in Bitcoin, and thus its growth may be constrained. The Federal Reserve interest rates policies will therefore greatly influence Bitcoin's price. If the Fed continues raising interest rates or maintain the high interest rates, this may push Bitcoin away from investors who expect higher returns on their investment. On the other hand, if the Fed lowering interest rates, the environment for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general becomes more propitious as investors seek assets with more growth. They said the price for Bitcoin would be influenced by long-term holders, which are people who have held their Bitcoin for more than 155 days. These holders will either sell large amounts of Bitcoin and flood the market, thereby pushing the price down, or continue holding the assets, which stabilize the price and push it higher. So pretty much they saying right here with Trump's Bitcoin reserve, depending on like three scenarios, it can really like pretty much, change a lot of things as far as like a financial system. But I had to come to y'all with this video, man. Spread thoughts up on this, shed light up on the situation. I felt the need that y'all had to hear this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. Don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. Like, share, and subscribe, and the article will be in the description box. And this your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.